I'm Dr. Bill Preston. I've worked with Dr. Ron Kirkland at the Jackson Clinic as a partner for the last 7 years. As a physician, he's a doctor of the finest quality. I trust him with my patients on a daily basis. I know that they're going to get the same or better care than I could give them myself, and that means a lot to have that in a partner. As a leader in our clinic and in our community, he's a selfless man of integrity who is really an advocate for his patients and his partners on many levels. And those are all pieces of experience that I think we really need in Washington. His knowledge of healthcare he has from the ground up, from a doctor-patient relationship to a physician-leader relationship on a local and national level. As a person, I find him a role model for myself, and I can't ask for anything greater than that in a leader in Washington.
My name is Allison Weaver. This is my daughter, Maggie. I'm a mother of 2, soon to be 3. We live in Jackson, Tennessee, and I support Ron Kirkland. As a mother, I'm worried about my children's future. I want this country to go back to the values that it was founded on. I don't want my children having to pay fiscally for the mistakes that we're making right now in this country. Abortion is a huge issue to me. As an expectant mother, the life of a child is very important to me, and I know Dr. Kirkland has those same feelings and will represent that for me in Congress. I feel like the people in Washington aren't listening. They see what's going on around them and they continue to do what they want to do, and I want my children to see role models that have a God-centered perspective on things. My faith is very important to me and to my family, and I see that in Dr. Kirkland.
I'm Ben Hayes. I'm a small business owner, and I strongly support Ron Kirkland. Well, small businesses these days seem to be the punching bag for President Obama and Nancy Pelosi. They expect us to carry all the weight for their programs and to help fund their programs, and I need someone that can fight on my behalf each and every day, and I can think of no one else better to do that than Ron Kirkland. He can deal in insurance matters with small businesses. He can help lower my taxes, which are great as a small business owner, and I just think he would do a great job representing myself and my business.
I'm Johnny Key. I'm a Tennessee farmer, and I support Ron Kirkland. I've known Ron since we were both 14 or 15 years old. We're both from Obion County and went to school at Union City High School and played sports together there in the late 50s, early 60s. And Ron Kirkland is a straightforward kind of a guy. He won't feel you out to see what you're thinking and then agree with you like a lot of politicians do. He will listen to you, and if he agrees with you, tell you. But if he doesn't, he'll tell you why and explain it to you. And that's what we need in Washington. This nation was built on a strong agriculture. At one time in our society, it was the basis of all wealth. And politicians need to realize that we need a strong agriculture for a strong economy. They don't need to lose touch with the people in their district. Farmers especially, in this district, because it's basically rural, small town America. And agriculture is very important to this area. And Ron understands that. He's got a level head and good common sense. And that's, to me, about 2 most important things a congressman can have. And he's got a lot of integrity, too. He's the kind of a guy that we can depend on to do what he says he'll do. I think Ron Kirkland will be an excellent representative for our farmers in Washington.